That is okay, but you can bust that in the middle. That good man, that you don't want no more, baby.
You know what's funny about making curry chicken? You can't rush it. The spices need time to bloom. The chicken needs time to get tender. If you try to speed it up, you'll ruin it. My husband keeps telling me slow and steady from 1,338 miles away. And I realize he's not just talking about the curry. Long distance has taught me patience I didn't know I had. Waiting for visa approvals, waiting for the next visit, waiting for phone calls. Everything about this relationship has been slow and steady, just like this curry. Just like building a life across 2 countries. And maybe that's the point. Maybe the best things aren't supposed to be rushed.
Very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. What you say? When you look back at you, I mean that doggy side, puppy whisper. So hot in the fire fever. If you can't be fast and a vista, tell Afi, Ava, Rabbit, Lego, Queen, Lower, Bodo, Lover, Bodo, Cover, Tattoo, Color, Wow, Summer. Philippi, one up and pull the post, all up and Palamai, all up and Philly, developers, somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say? close by your head, you're not dead. Why? Like a sheet spread, little 12 left decks that mash up in head. I go keep my third world girl instead. She Susie, Vicky, so she did it. Lama, Punish, Never, Mad, Senna, Cousin, Come, Hattie, Nene, Don, she has to say Daddy. Billy P, one up on, full of and I'm my yellow part, silly dilly benefits, fall up, silly dilly benefits. But somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say? See me baby, everything crisp. I would love make you turn and crisp. Season, why you? Wine see me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp. Pop, extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say?
I used to think long distance was just waiting, wasting time until we could be together. But cooking this curry tonight, listening to him walk me through every step from Jamaica, I get it now. We're not waiting, we're building. Slowly, steadily, together, even when we're apart. And when it's finally ready, it's going to be worth every minute we put in. And that's how we do long distance cooking lessons. If you want the recipe, the link is in the description. And if you're in a long distance relationship too, you're not alone. Subscribe for more of our journey.